see. Low-key, I probably should have changed the title. Title was a bit meh, but I think it'll be fine. Alright. Hold on. Okay. I've got like I have a dinner at probably 6:20. I have time to kill. So we're gonna do the physics research I was supposed to do this weekend. I just got busy. I didn't do it. I set a timer. I'm only gonna stream for like 2 hours. So I really got locked in. Um, Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Boom, 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 boom. I also want to do a bunch of stuff here. Not gonna lie, a lot of this might just be me replying to emails. Not gonna lie. Alright, let's see how we're gonna go about this. I have a lot of stuff to do. I also should update my website sometime this week. I've got econometrics research. I've got to write a Python script to pull seismicity data. I need to implement some sort of, I don't even know what it's called. I have to first learn what the hell my advisor is talking about. Let me see what it's called. I have to look into, what is this even called? Velocity autocorrelation function. Don't know what that is. Gotta look into that. Gotta set up a time for 3 meetings. And then I gotta see if I can do research this fall with a mathematics or physics professor. And I have to schedule this meeting too. Holy moly. Alright, let me write all this stuff down. And I have to get through some of my algorithms book. I have to catch up because I'm super behind in my summer plan for building a cyber deck. And I need to catch up in Fusion 360, I'm supposed to be learning that. I'm still in the first assessment. Supposed to be learning set theory, discrete mathematics, a little bit behind in that. So, got a lot to do. But this week is like calm. Like last week was a literal pigsty. It was crazy how much stuff I have to do. But I'm good this week. So this week I have a dinner, and then pretty much from there the rest of my like week is calm. So I'm actually looking forward to streaming every day. Probably won't be in here. I'll probably be at the lab. Will probably be the goal. Stream at the lab because I'm very productive when I'm in the lab. Yeah, like let me see if I can show you. Oh my gosh. Look like I was looking into the matrix. Let's see. Like, it'll probably be upside down. But all of this is proofs. Intro to set theory, intro to proofs. Deep learning, this is deep learning stuff. Neural networks. Neural networks, weights, biases, what sigma means, how can we calculate the nth layer using n-1. And this is just some physics homework that I found that I'm doing. And then this is a Putnam problem that my group and I, shout out Janya, but that's a Putnam problem we're trying to solve for this week, which is another thing. I need to find another Putnam problem for me and Janya to solve. I think we said we're gonna do like 4 of them. We've already got one, which is that one, so I need to find one more, and she's got to give 2, and that's due on Wednesday. And then we don't meet again until July 12th. This is a good bit of stuff to do, but we're gonna get it done because we're gonna start right now. Make sure my phone is good. And then I might change this because this timer puts me at 6:10. I'm gonna put another timer, like an hour, I'm not gonna lie. An hour and 2 minutes. So that way I know to like go change. Okay, bet. Alright, now let me start moving stuff over here once I get this done. We'll do Sunday plus this is my Monday to-do list. I've been watching a lot of Joseph Suarez, his reinforcement learning research. And I think I want to contribute, but of course I know nothing about. I mean, I have a good understanding, I think, of what reinforcement learning is. Basically allowing the computer, almost like a toddler. Like, you can teach a toddler how to play chess through repetition. Everything is repetition. Like, if you give a toddler the rules, even if they don't understand them, over time and through immense training, the toddler will begin to understand what's going on, and then they'll be able to excel. I honestly think reinforcement learning and like deep learning, this is no different from like childhood prodigies, except the computer is the child. So let's see how this is gonna go. This was Sunday. Okay, and then today's Monday. So far, I had a meeting with Georgia Tech Venture Lab from like 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. It's called Startup Studio. It's actually pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. And then I went and I watched film with my coach from like 3:30 to 4, pretty much. And we're gonna do some deep work from like 4 to 6. And then I've got a dinner to go to. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is kind of up for debate or up in the air. I'm not sure what I'll do. I'm not sure if I'll stream again, but immediate attention needs immediate attention. I'm also gonna add in here business model. Yeah, I have to do a business model too. So stuff that kind of needs to be addressed. Also for like poops and giggles, I kind of want to apply to YC startup school just for poops and giggles. You know, just to see if like, okay, if my qualifications now don't admit me, then okay, like I still have till next summer. Like I don't graduate until 2027, 2028, so next semester, next year, next school year, I'll graduate. So goal is to get, at least I just want to go to YC startup school, but then that also requires you to have, like, they look for people who have great computer science foundations, blah, 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 blah. And then also REU. I definitely want to get into REU. I waited a little too late. I just wasn't sure what I was going to do for basketball, if I was coming back, if I was staying, if I was going. But what I do like about like the school I am at is we don't have to report until August, which if you know, if you're an athlete, at least if you know, at the like higher level, like you report to your school to train and work out together minimum in June, probably like June 10th. Which unless your school already has an REU, it's kind of hard. You like that's when I say like, ugh, don't even get me started on that. But anyways, it needs to be addressed. I need to, and I also want to get back caught up with differential geometry in my like physics with friends or modern mechanics. I've kind of been lacking, not gonna lie, but I think I've been behind for like 5 weeks since I've left home. So okay, let's see here. Dude. Okay, let me see. Oh. Uh, what day is Thursday? Oh, that's July 2nd. I think that works. Okay. And I know I don't have anything on the screen, by the way. I don't want y'all seeing my emails, low-key. Okay, let me reply that does work for me. Because, yeah, that works. For me. Boom, boom. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. So that's at 11:30. Is there anybody else that I need to schedule a meeting with? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that works for me. So let's do Thursday. All right, I think we're good. Okay. What was that? July 9th? I think I'm gonna put these in a separate folder and call it so then I can move all of these in there. Because if not, I will literally pin the hell out of any email. I think it's a lot better to just have a set area for them to go. I think that's way better. Yeah, it's way better. Okay, it's so much better. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay, now I have to. Okay, I already have it on here. Okay, now I think I can get down to like actual stuff rather than like administrative stuff. Back to 6:30. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I think I'm good now. That took a lot, to be honest. Weekly statement. Okay. Now let's. What time is it? 4:30. All right, good. We did this. And this, and we've done this. Right. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, let's begin this time. Let me see if I can find this book. I want to see if we have this reinforcement learning book because obviously I don't want to buy it, but if I have to, then I will. But I'd honestly rather not. Edinburgh. Oh, we have it? Oh, bet. The freak. Okay. Let me go and get that. What aisle is this? I also kind of want to complete a project with at least like once a day, do like a project Whaler programming. What's it called? What did I do just recently? I think I didn't know. I didn't do multiples of 3 or 5. Yeah. I did another one though. I just recently did one. Oh wait, let me sign in. Yeah, let me sign in. Okay, yeah. I did this one. Some square difference. I'm gonna try and do like one of those every day. Like a brain teaser. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, but it's also not like super expensive if I get it from like an eBay. So if I do like this for real, I really want to get into an open source project called Pufferlib. I think I was talking about it with Joseph Suarez. I actually like want to get into that, not gonna lie. So yeah. Okay, now and And some stuff I also have to update my resume because some stuff I'm not even planning on doing anymore. I can just completely delete certain repos. Like, I'm not gonna do that. I probably won't do this. Maybe. I don't know. I had like so much motivation to do it in the moment, but now I'm like, hell no, like I'm not gonna do it. Same thing with the physics platform. Once like the dude came out with his, I was like, oh bro, like it's grits. Like, I don't even want to do it anymore. Let's see. Resume. Yeah, and even this, I'm low-key like, why would I even... I don't know, I might keep it. Same thing with this, like, I think these are important, just... Yeah, like, I'm probably gonna delete some of these. Like, a lot of these. I feel like a lot of these are, like, dead ends. Like, they don't really contribute. So... I feel like if I have, like, 6 repos that are spot on, I'd rather have that than 24 that are, like, meh. Same thing with this, like, I literally love this, I really do. Like, everything about this I love. I also am halfway through the year and have only solved like 80 problems. But it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. Yeah, there's like a lot of stuff to... There's a lot of stuff to be done, for sure. A lot of stuff to be done. I actually couldn't even solve like all... What's the term? All transparency. I actually could not even solve one of these problems. But I don't even think I put enough time into trying. I think if I would have put more time into it, I think it would have been... Anyways, here we go. Let me lock in. Alright, let's... What is this? Where'd GitHub go? Am I tripping? Can I not just have GitHub open? Oh, wait. I know what happened. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna delete a good bit of these. Alright. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. It's fine. Hello? Bro, what's going on right now? Bro. Am I tripping or do I just not see it? LMNOP, QRS. Oh, no, I was tripping. It was right in my face. Alright, boom, boom, boom. Alright, let's create some folders. So let's do boom, 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 requirements, txt. Wait, did I just? Gotta make sure I spelled that right. And then I already have a git ignore, don't I? There should be a git ignore here. I don't know where it's at, but it's fine. Because then I just initialize it. Could have sworn I did. Alright, let's do. That's a funny way to spell it, but. Let's do. Is there a shortcut for me to create a file? Can I configure key binding or no? What the frick does that mean? Okay, whatever. Raw data processed. Oh wait, no, those are files within the files. I'm a literal duck. That was insanely loud. And then there's a readme in there, so let's duplicate. Where's the duplicate button? Boom, 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 boom. It'll just be copy, paste. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Never mind. It's fine. I think it'll be fine because data. And in here, there's a. Okay, yeah. Okay, that works. Love Python. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oof, my bad. I think my advisor uses Gauss. Uses Gauss and R. So I'm lucky, like, should I use R? Or is Python suffice? I don't know. The music is low-key way too loud in my ears. Alright. But I'm just gonna copy and paste it. I'm kind of sick and tired of typing, not gonna lie. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, so we're gonna be in a, what's it called, notebook. Oh, then I could have, well, I could have done this for my liquidity particle, physics particle research. Now that I'm thinking about it. Oh, it's already in there, but holy crap. This light is so bright. Oh my gosh, why did it do that? What happens if I turn this off? Dude. Yeah, this light's so bright. It's like this little circle. When I was looking over here, I could see it, and I was like, what the frick? Like when you close your eyes and you can still see the light and the shape of it, yeah. Killing my eyeballs. Wrecking them. Much better. I mean, this is originally my idea. I consulted. This is my idea. I basically provided this idea to the same man that I just co-authored a paper with. I was like, hey, I think this would be super cool. We should try and do this. And of course, the king that he is, he was just like, yeah, that works. Sounds good. Wait, what did I just do? Why did I do that? No, it should be figures and tables. Hello? What am I missing? Figures and tables. Oh, that's what I'm missing. No, outputs. Should be figures and tables. And then within here, we should have a readme for this too. Okay, that works. Where we docs. Docs. Oof. What does it say? I'd honestly rather write this in LaTeX and not Markdown, but it's not really. I mean, it is my choice. I could write this in LaTeX, couldn't I, if I wanted to? I might. I'm not gonna lie. I still might. I might delete this docs. I'll keep it. Whatever. I'll let ChatGPT cook. See what they've got. Because it's just Markdown. It should be fine. I think it'll be fine. And then I might even, to be honest, I don't even know if my professor, he has to have VS Code, right? My advisor, he has to. I've never seen him use it though, but I'm sure he does. Maybe. Maybe not though. I hope I spelled seismicity right. Yeah, E before the I. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then we do it should be in this. Well, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Wait a minute. Well, we're about to see. Oh, I see. No, yeah, we're good. And then, all right, but so boom, 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 boom. Main readme, go bang, and I will come back and revise this. Later. I'll come back and revise this later. I don't really care to do it right now. requirements. Pandas, NumPy, Python, data util, or date util, matplotlib, yeah. I'll have to see if you would need anything else, but that might be it for now, not gonna lie. Just, we're about to use a Python script to be able to extract this data because I personally don't feel like filtering. I don't feel like filtering through. That's why we're doing all this, because USGS's database for seismicity data and magnitude of earthquakes, yada yada yada, only lets you do 20,000 data points. And there's so many like minuscule earthquakes that happen per day that we would be here all day. We would literally, I'm getting a headache just thinking about it. We would be here all freaking day, and I don't have time to do that. So, get ignore, data process, CSV, outputs and figures, PNG, CSV tables. Okay. Um, okay, let me see. Boom, boom, boom. My data folder. Okay, so this is where in this broad data folder, this is where my, what's it called, is gonna go. Which means that now this is where we apply the Python script. And then the process is cleaned and combined data. It's not even really continental US. We're really just looking at California and Alaska. But let me see, where's that at? Yeah, this one's supposed to go in the README here. Why is there no README? Oh, it's right in my face. Yeah, this is supposed to go here. The raw earthquake data is downloaded from USGS, FDS, and Event API. The scripts download earthquakes with magnitude greater than or equal to 1.3 from 2 bounding boxes, continental US. It's really, to be honest, more specifically California is what we're looking at, and then Alaska. Process, time series variables. Yeah, that's the other thing. Time series variables that we're going to use here are daily, weekly, and monthly occurrences of earthquake. Oh, perfect. Thank you so, so much, because I really didn't feel like rewriting what I wrote in our meeting notes. I went through a good, well, I didn't go through a good bit of research or literature. I went through like six papers, but that's enough, to be honest. And then this, what is this, a docs variable table? I'll come back and edit all this. Right now, I'm just gonna get something down. Oh, I can just use an API here. Oh, I should have made my get ignore Python, but I think it's fine. I already technically did that here. I think it'll be fine. I mean, I don't know. We'll check on that. I think it's fine. And then remind me to make this private too. By remind me, I mean I'm gonna remind me. Cloned it to my computer. Boom, boom, boom. Created the folders. Created the empty files. I've done all of this. Add the USGS download script here. Okay. All right, where's my terminal? Oh boy, boy, boy. Oh, every now and then I think it's good to be able to like use the terminal in the git commands. Just because like GitHub Desktop does so much for me, but still. Boom, boom, boom. Create the repo structure. Download. Okay, this is what I want to do. I want to download 1 month test data just to see. I already have that. Okay, perfect. All right, let's put this script to the test, shall we? Let's see. I kind of want this to be at the top. I'm not gonna lie. Is there a way I can do that? Oh, it's just gonna go. How to do that? Create here. Oh, I want this to be in a certain order. I want the download to go first. Then I want it to go clean. Why is it? Oh, it's going alphabetically. Oof. Alright, that's fine. Okay. Let's paste this script in here. Alright, let's see. Alright, we're importing time from date time import from IO, import string IO from path, import pandas, import request, date util. The base is the query. Let's make sure this link works, shall we? Oh my dear lord, what the frick is this? Oh, it just keeps going. Where do you even get this from? Wow, that's insane. Okay. Let me make sure. Let me fact check this. Because I see where the URL is going and where it's taking us. It's basically just this huge, it's like smushed up base level text file of all the earthquakes. But just to be sure, I kind of want to know. Okay, it's the event web service specification. Okay, this is the query endpoint. This is the address my script sends request to when asking for the data. Okay. And then when we add, okay, that project root. Okay, yeah, continental US of this latitude, longitude. Okay, let's do 2026 to February. We'll do January, February with a minimum magnitude, yeah, 1.3 works. Because we're looking at 1.3 greater than or equal to 1.3 or 1.5, but if it's greater than or equal to 1.3, that's inclusive of 1.5. Doesn't even matter. Okay. Make sure yield month date window start. Current equals starts while the current is less than the end next month. Okay. Sure. I don't know, I lucky like kind of trust in ChatGPT here with my my life, I guess, my research. Alright, that's fine. And then let's go ahead and run this. Where are we at? Are we already in? Let me see. Can I change what is it? LS? Okay, let me change directory so that we're in scripts, right? Let me do cd scripts. And then let's do, I think we're good. We're in scripts. Okay, now let's run this. Yeah, now we can run that. Holy moly. I'm tripping. Oh, maybe I was supposed to run this. Oh, let me kill this terminal quick. And then do this. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I forgot to do the necessary packages first. My bad, pimp. I was about to click create, but I'm not. I think we're good. Now, I wonder is this something I'll have to do repeatedly? Or how does that work? Wait. Why does it look like that? Is it done? Oh god. Okay, now I think it should be able to go. Low key though, 2430 is not bad. And it's got 3109. Or they save it. Data processed. By golly George, we've done it. Hell yeah, boy. Alright, bet. That's what I like to see. And can we do a quick search? Just so that I have California in here somewhere. Please. Not much though. California is only in here 17 times. Okay, what we might have to do. Why is California only in here? Oh, no. I'm a liar. It's just going by CA. That's fine. Okay. That's good. Okay, yeah, that's fire. Alright. So we'll call this the first iteration. This will be the first iteration of CSV USPS. Data from 01 2026 to 02 2026. It's like, do I not know how to spell successful? Alright. Now they were talking about I possibly may not want to kind of go crazy with this. Which I agree. Yeah, and this is just one. This is Alaska. What does this say? Alaska. That's fine. Is there any other states in here? Oh yeah, there's, I see New Mexico, Alaska. There's Wyoming right there. So, okay, that's fine. Oh, and I see this is processed. Okay, but the raw data is all of this. Okay, that's fine. And this is continental US, which we can do CA, and it's about 12, or we can do just for Chester FL, which makes sense. Shouldn't be a lot of earthquakes in New Mexico. Oh wait, what's another one I can do? West Virginia. Let me see. How do they have these in here? TX. Oh wait, I think I'm too far over. What is that latitude? Where's magnitude? There's your magnitude, 1.5. Oh, it's spelled just like this, New Mexico. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And then for California, they just do a CA rather than typing out the whole. There's Colorado. Okay, that's fine. Okay, for this second iteration, let's try 3 months. Do you want to install the recommended Rainbow CSV extension? Sure, go ahead. Sure. Oh, yeah, that would be great, actually. If I can see what the frick is going on. Because right now it looks kind of funky. gonna lie. Get that up. Okay. Yeah. Oh, kind of killing my eyes. I'm not gonna lie. It's helping because there's Texas, so it's green that I should be looking out for. Green and our magnitudes are 1.6. Oh, so column 5 is magnitudes. Okay, that's fine. This is good. This is good. Very good. Great stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to the script. And let's go second iteration. Let's do second iteration. Let's do to what are we in June? Do you think we have enough coverage? Let's go like then I say 3 months. So let's go to March, or it'd technically be April, just because 1, 2, 3, and then it would be April 1st technically. So let's go ahead and do that. Same thing. We'll run it. Sorry, we'll run Python. What was the command? Python backslash. Let me see if I remember. It's like Python backslash or scripts / actually. Running the scripts of download USGS. Yeah, that's fine. Did I spell anything wrong? I'm a stickler for that. Known to do that. Okay, now we're getting up to 5,000. We could go a pretty good way, no? Processed. But is this overriding data? Final CSV is saved to. I think it is overriding data. That's fine though. So that means now this is a bit longer. Or it should be. I should be able to, oops, go, and this should be 5539 now. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, and it's still working. So it's gonna continuously overwrite. So let's make a note of that. Second iteration, January. Let me do it the same way I've been doing it. It's gonna override it, but it's also gonna add to it. So we basically still have January. Yeah, we basically still have the January data we've just added on February and March, which is fine. Your branch is up to date. I gotta go. What's it called? What are you talking about, brother? Try this one more time. Oh, wait, I haven't saved it, have I? That's why it's saying that. That's why it's saying that. Does that mean... Oh, wait, my bad. I have to save the commit. Okay, yeah. Okay. That's fine. Alright, let's go a little further back. Let's do... Okay, let's try... Because I want to see if that 20,000 data point requirement still holds. So let's do a year. Let's go 2025 January 1st, and then let's go 2026 January 1st. See what we get there. Oops. Oh my lord. Scripts or script? Scripts. Oh, I'd be so dangerous if I could type a little faster. Yeah. make sure. Oh boy. 15,000. That's a heck of a lot more. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, see, and this is the raw. So it's continuously, so it's keeping it as raw data, which is good because I need to be able to see this. But the process data is, this is good. This is very, very good. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this then. That's a year, so. What is this? Third iteration. I forgot to put whether it was a success or a failure. The last one. What? This is good though. The progress. For sure. Alright. And I'm low-key wondering where this is being stored though. Is this... I hope this isn't being stored on my computer. That would kind of... I mean, it's on my... Where is this being stored? How do I... And I guess I would just use comma delimiters. And then I'll paste this in an Excel sheet before I leave. And then I'll send it off to him. So let's try and go for 5 years. Let's just go 2020 to 2025. FAW ball. See what we can get. And then I'll send him the script too. What did I just say? 2020 to 2025. FAW ball. About 5 years. Well, is that though? 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm also like practicing running this stuff from the terminal too, because I didn't even know this is how you do it. Like you run it from the terminal like this. I had no clue. This should definitely surpass 20,000 for sure. But I'm interested to see like will it crash? But I don't think it will, which is great. If it doesn't crash, we're golden. If it doesn't crash, we're golden. Looks like about, what is this, 2,000 every... I can't tell. I'm gonna have to look at it. It keeps moving too fast. Oh, wait. A huge year. What is that? 2025? Is that July? 52,000. Oh my gosh, no way. Let me see. Boom, data. Raw data. Oh, okay, this is perfect too. Perfect. Okay, let me look at their process data. Perfect. A lot of Alaskas. And then it says continental US. Oh, we can filter by this, Wyoming. And then we can always filter by this. So what I think we'll probably end up doing is we'll probably end up just omitting this whole column 10 for the download region, and we'll probably just end up using the place. We may even separate place from state. I could see my advisor telling me to do that. We have 50. This is great because there's no barriers on this. This is great. What's magnitude? 2.3. That's the other thing. I gotta make sure magnitude. I completely forgot. But I gotta just make sure the magnitude, there's nothing below 1.2. Even though I'm not thinking this could also be, yeah. We'll just have to, we'll source through at the end or something. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to see what are these timelines looking like. So that's Alaska, Alaska, Alaska. Okay, continental. That's what, August to September. Then they went September to, oh, so they're doing it on a month by month basis. That's probably why we're not getting errors, because this is sifting through it on a month by month basis. So it's not even surpassing barely 3,000. That's fine. Um, okay, good stuff. Okay, let's go 10 years. Oh, let me push this as the fourth iteration. Or, all right, let's go 10 years. So let's go 2015. What the frick is that supposed to be? 2015 to 2025. And let's see. If this works, then I'm gonna call it, and then I will. I'll have to look at the email that I keep saying my professor. He is my professor, but my research advisor sent me, because he was like, you don't have to go all the way back to like 1842. Like, it's fine. Oh, why did I say scripts? Sorry, I was like, home data. All right, let's run it. Is it going backwards? Wait, but I said 2015. What are you doing? 2020, 2020. 2021. I definitely said 20. Oh, but I didn't save it. Can I kill this? That's fine. I forgot. Maybe it's because I didn't save it. I don't know if that was the issue. Because now it's just running the same script it just ran. So I'm actually gonna take this and just rerun it once it finishes doing its thing. Which might take a minute. Shouldn't I tell you? Is it done? No, we're still going. 2023. Yeah, it's probably slowing down though, because it's like we just did this. I know. Dude. Alright, in the meantime, I'm going to do some reading. I'm looking at Pufferlib. Oh my lord. Really just did that. Okay. Holy moly. Huh. Mind you, that's not even what I wanted to run. Let's try this one more time. I'll know it's running properly if it starts at 2015. Please start at 2015. Okay, thank you. Alright, now we freaking wait again. Bro. Holy moly. What's this? Oh, it's a Discord. Alright, in the meantime, I'm gonna actually, while this runs, I'm going to, oh, it's in like streamer mode? Okay. In the meantime, I'm going to, um, let's do a couple things, yeah. Let's figure out what number problems we're gonna solve while we're waiting. What is it at 2018? Yeah, we'll just figure out what button problems me and Johnny are gonna solve. You know what I also want to look at? Like, I guess like an online whiteboard, virtual whiteboard. I don't even know. You're all. Oh no, I don't really care for anything super. It doesn't even have to be super crazy. Like I just want something I can. I'm about to just go back to Arc, to be honest, because I think Arc has a built-in one. The Arc browser just has a built-in one, which might as well. That's the other thing about having these two monitors. I never know where something's gonna pop up. Freaking social security number just pops up on this side. Oh, that's the agenda. Yeah, let me see. Cause where was it? It's been so long since I used this. I'm not gonna lie. Arc basics. Spaces. Oh gosh. Switch space. Common use. No. Hold on. Let me just bring this in here. New space. New folder. Shortcuts. Imported. Econ. Dude, where is the I know it has it, I just don't know. I don't know how to get to it, brother. Is that an extension? Probably. Chrome Notes. Canvas. I don't even know what half this is. We don't even use Canvas at my current school, which I'm kind of sad about because Canvas recently got like a major upgrade, and it looked like if you've ever seen Canvas on the dude, where is this? If you've ever seen Canvas on your phone, it got a major upgrade. It's actually kind of fire. Kind of cool how it looks now. Let me see. Yeah, like this is nice. I really like the way that looks. I'm not gonna lie. That's actually pretty fire. I really like the way this looks. And it's just a home screen too, but where in the heck is... It's fine. Is it though? Yeah. I just want... Dude, I just want like a board. I just want a board. Dude, what is this? And I know they have it. That's why I'm kind of confused. I'm not gonna lie. It's not in spaces. It's not tabs. Like I feel like it's extensions, but like, why would it? I don't know. Whatever. Just wasted time, to be honest. Or my scripts. My scripts aren't even done. Never mind. I didn't waste time. All right, let's figure this out. Prove that 2 times mk plus 1, 2 times nk plus 1 are relatively prime for all but finitely many positive integers. Determine all positive integers. I think I might do this one. I might suggest this one. And the absolute value of f double prime of n of 0 is greater than 2023. I might suggest this one or this one. I like these integer coefficients. Potion Low did this one. It's like we basically did like a odd principle. I don't even remember what it, odd even parity. Grasshopper starts at the origin. This is the other one. I was like, what? I kind of wanted to do this one too because this reminded me of like the expansion of a, what is it? Actually, it reminded me of when you have the dot product of two vectors and it comes out to, I think it's like 2ab sine theta, or is it 2ab cosine theta? Something like that, I don't know. Or maybe it's the cross product of two vectors. I don't know. Find all ordered pairs of positive integers for which a over, or 1 over a plus 1 over b equals 3 over 2018. Is this just testing like edge cases? Like I would have thought this was okay, multiply by maybe 3 or something, solve for A, solve for B, and then we kind of say, okay, can A be greater than this, or can A be less than this? Like just finding patterns. I don't know. To be honest, I have no clue how to solve any of these. These are the ones I kind of need to lock in on too, because geometry. Whew. Smallest integer. Finite. Hyperbola. Base of 10. Positive integers. H and K be positive integers. They're positive integers eminent such that Alan and Barbara play a game. Okay, I think I think for now I really like the way. Oh wait, that was a Taylor series problem. Prove that every non-zero coefficient of the Taylor series of da 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 about x equals 0 is a rational number whose numerator is either 1 or a prime number. I just like the way this one looks. But I think I'm gonna go with this one and this one. I like these two. And I like this one a lot. Actually, I like all 4 of these. I might just do this one for poops and giggles. I'll do this one for poops and giggles. This one, poops and giggles. Oh wait, actually, no, that was a bad screenshot. I didn't even get the whole problem. Poops and giggles, and then I'll do this one, poops and giggles. Okay. Now let me make sure. Some of these I didn't get. Was this the bad one? I think this was the bad one. No, this was the good one, where I got the whole thing. This was the bad one. Okay, so these are my problems. So what is this, 2018? 2018 A1. Okay. 2018 A1. Let me put the problem names on there. What is this? 2019 A1. Okay. 2023 A1. And then I'm gonna assign like one of these or two of these to myself to do. Because I actually like them. 2024 A1. And I think that was all of them to go through. Right? Yeah, I don't even know what this is. When was that taken? Oh, wait. No, I don't think that's for me. Alright. So then we'll just kind of narrow it down to whatever we choose. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see, because I've pushed a lot of files now. This should look a lot different. Yeah. Is it done? 50. Oh no, that's 519,000. Holy moly. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Wow, that's a lot. But this is great though. Great, 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 great stuff. Great stuff. So this is the 5th iteration for 01 2015 to 01 2025 is what I did. 10 years. Successful with about 519K data points. Oh wait, this. Oh yeah, see, I was about to say, oh, it like did it, but this is Oklahoma. So I think there may be some catch-alls in here. I guess we can call them crossfire states. It's not Oregon, it's Oregon, isn't it? Am I tripping? Isn't it Oregon? Not like, I mean it's Oregon, but like it's. Am I tripping? No, I don't see Oregon anymore. Oh yeah, it's Oregon. What am I talking about? What else has been caught here? Washington. It's like that whole West Coast. And then let me send an email to my professor to let him know what's going on. Let's go like 19. We'll go 25 years. So, yeah. Okay, now what I want to do, okay, now now what I want to do is go into Excel and take this query data and make some things shake. Which one did I say I'm sending? Okay, we're gonna do one more. We're gonna do one more mouse from pretty much our biggest one. So we'll go from 2000 to 2025. That should take a good little bit to run. I think it should. Okay, guess my thing doesn't want to work. Okay. We'll do this, put it into a CSV file. So run this, get the output, put it into a CSV file, filter it, try and delete any country that's not Alaska or California, and send it to my research professor, and that is one humongous thing off of my chest. Then once I come back here after dinner, we can start handling that velocity autocorrective or correlation function. Actually, in the meantime, we can research that. That's what I shall do. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and run this, make sure it's all right, and while that's running, 2020, okay, perfect, or 2000, sorry, not 2020. Excuse me, while that script is running, we're gonna go ahead and do a blank workbook, and actually, I lied. I don't even know why I did that. We're gonna import. We're just gonna go and get the data because it's already in a CSV. So, or sorry, we're gonna go get the, no, I was right. Is it data or did I put in outputs? No, it's in data, it's in data. But why is it? Oh, because it's on an ignore. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I know what I can do. I can just go get the most recent one, which would be this. Copy all of it. And then put it in here. Paste special. What is it? No, it's insert. I'm sorry. It's insert. What is it? It's insert by. Format cells? Oh, no, 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 no. I know what it is. Yeah, I'm right. Paste. Keep text only. Yep, paste it anyways. And then we're gonna have to format the cells by by commas. That's delimiter. How did he do this? I remember it. It's text. But he did this a certain way. Did he slice it? No. What did he do when he did this? Oh, this is from text to CSV. Maybe. I don't know. No. What did he do? Oh, text to columns. Only convert one column at a time. No, that's also not what he did. Am I tripping? What did he do? By comma? See, and it's all, that's what I'm saying. What did he do? I can't even tell you how many times I've seen my advisor do this. But now that I have to do it, it's like, what the frick is this? Is it sort? No, let me look it up. That's fine. Oh, it is text to column, paste your column. Oh, that's right. Wait. I'm cat because it's all in this one. Yeah. Okay, so I was right. Where is that at? It is text to columns. And then it's delimiter. Perf. And it's with a comma. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, perfect. I know my computer, she's freaking. What the hell are you doing to me? Okay, and then this is, yeah, save it in that one. This is gonna be USGS. Let's put the date first, or USGS data. Which one was this? This one was 2015. 01 2015 to 01 2025. Yeah. This way he can see it and all this. Boom. So now the region, or more so the place, that's what I'm saying. For this, can I also do text to columns for this and then literally do the same thing for comma? Perfect, because I want to separate this too. Oh, I see what they're saying. There's already data there. But do I even need? It's fine. Can we shift these over? Like, bro, please. Shift this over like 2 spots. Oh wait, no, I just need to shift over 1 spot. I lied. Okay, and then do place, text to columns, limiter, column. Yeah, that's good. Dude, wait, why did it do that? I'm confused on why it required type. Isn't all of these earthquakes? Am I tripping? Oh, mining explosion. No. Okay, let's insert. Now we should be able to. Now that this should work. If this doesn't work now, then I'm confuzzled. Okay, yeah, there we go. What was this even for then? They didn't even use this. This is state. So now we've got it by, whoa, that's not how you spell state. Now we've got it by state. I guess we can say this is like specific area place. Mag type. Yeah, these are all just variables. Actually, I'll keep these as variables. Keep them as variables. Let's filter. Okay, this is raw data. Raw data. Let's filter. Let's do Alaska. Filter by just Alaska. I think I'd have to put a filter on this and then do only Alaska, right? Just do AK. Whoa, wait a minute. Yeah, okay, just had to make sure. It's like, freak is that? But now I know. So let's only go AK, Alaska, Alaska earthquake, Alaska region. What is Aleutian Islands? Aleutian Island chain in Alaska. I'm glad I looked that up. Filter? Perfect. Okay. Now that we've... Oh my gosh, it's not responding. I broke it. I've broken it. Please, please, please don't do this. Don't do this. Not right now. Just chill. Just chill. Please, chill. Chill out. Let me just stop touching stuff. Just chill out, brother. Please, just chill out. I'm gonna come work over here. Oh my gosh. She's freaking broken. She's freaking broken, bro. Just exit out at this point. Oh! Oh, so glad I didn't do that. Oh, that would have been horrible. Okay. I want everything with Alaska, though. And I don't think that's what all of this... Oh, that's what all of this is? This is literally just Alaska? Oh. Set that up, then. Why didn't you just say that? iPad. Copy. Bam. Holy moly. Why did that just happen? I'm afraid to click anything. Not gonna lie. Damn it. And I did it. Like a dummy. I did it anyways. I did it anyways. How's my script going? Oh my god. Oh, it's good, it's good. Right, 2010. You can't be mad. 10 years in, buddy. Well, I'm just gonna delete everything else. Oh, Jesus. I feel like usually this is when it gets scared and it works. It's not doing it though, so now I'm getting scared. But oh my gosh, I keep doing that. Surprised the stream hasn't crashed. Let me shut up before it crashes. Bruh. Hello. It's fine. It's fine, brother. It's fine. It's fine. I'm like deathly afraid to close this. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, brother. Just delete everything else. Um, my computer's like, please kill me. Because anything is better than this. So sorry. Okay, just restart. I don't even give a damn. Let me see. What's the damage? Okay. What's the damage? That's not bad. Alright. Let's how about we take this a little bit slower? Yeah. I know you do that. But this is automated. Yes. Alright. Attempt number 2, commencing. All systems go. Give it a second, give it a second, or she breaks down. Alright. Oh my freaking gosh, I just clicked. About to crash out. Literally about to crash out. Is it because of you? It's because of you, isn't it, Betty? What are you on, Betty? Betty's basically done, brother. Betty's on like 2024. Bro, what the frick? How many events was that? It had to be like 1,000,000. That's my guess. It's gotta be 1,000,000. There's no way. It's 1,000,000. The freaking thing can't even process how much it was. That's literally how much it was. Freaking, look at that. What is this? For literally 1,000,000. Crazy work. Let me hurry up before this thing crashes. I don't even know. Sixth? What iteration is this? Fifth? No clue. What iteration is this? Oh, jeez. What the frick? Why would I do this? Yeah, what iteration is this? This is the sixth iteration. Sixth iteration. 4, 8, 10. No, this was 20, right? Because this was 20 years. This was like 20. This was 2000 to 2025. This was 25 years, right? Or am I tripping? This was. Yeah, this was two. Yeah. For a. Success. Okay. Holy moly. Alright, wait, that's actually fire. That's exactly what we need. Okay, now you should be working. There's literally no reason you shouldn't. Copy. And paste. Formulas. Transpose. No, just give me the values, brother. Just want the values, brother. Holy crap. Mind you, this is just... Okay, let's do Cali. Filter by Cali. CA, California. Well, that was anticlimactic. Yeah, it's moving a lot better. Holy moly. Bruh. Today, not tomorrow, please. Today. I'm just here at this point. It doesn't even know what it's not responding to. That's the funniest part. It doesn't even know. It's just saying that. Dude. Like, it doesn't even know. It's fine, get all this stuff. I might not even use these Jupyter notebooks. Yeah, get all of this off here. Brother's brain cells, please. Oh my. It's almost as if I need to like shut everything down. Honestly, I'm willing to do it. There's really not much else I can shut down. Oh, it said it was saved, but restart it. I don't even care anymore. Whatever, restart it. The problem is this freaking computer doesn't have a brain. Let's see how much of it recovered. Oh, wait. Alright, final attempt. Slow and steady wins the race, brother. Slow and steady wins the race. I could not do this any slower. I know what you want. You want me to shut this off, don't you? That's fine. I'm about to tell my professor that like freaking my computer will literally crash. So I'm just gonna give him the, what's it called? I'll send you data for the second this script from 2015 to 2025. What the flipper dipper? Alright. I've pushed everything from here. You see, should be nothing to do. Everything is up to date. Perfect. What is to be updated? Oh, I can update that. Yeah, because like, what the frick are you doing, brother? Respectfully. Alright. It's all good. Get that thing out of here. Let me see. Yeah, get this out of here too. Restart. No, get it out of here. Okay, brother, there's like when I say there's literally nothing standing in between you. There's literally nothing standing in between you and my data. Please. Microsoft is probably what the frick is going on. Me too, Microsoft. Me too. Where's Bill Gates? Me too, brother. Me too. What the hell is going on with my data? She's being stupid. Like, I swear. Like I just I'm gonna try. I lied. Let's try. Let's just go to California. Let's do the first California. How about... Nah, I'm greedy. Greedy algorithm. Okay. Cali. Bruh. Oh my gosh, it's about to do it. It's me, isn't it? It's freaking me, isn't it? It's me, isn't it? I'm the problem. Low key, about to just do it on my laptop. I don't know what to think about that. And I have to go in like literally 20 minutes. But it can be done. My laptop is dead. Alright, so friction. Friction is high right now. Friction is high. Morale is low. Dude, at this point, man, frick it. I put a filter on it. He knows how to. I put a freaking filter on it. He's got this. He's a big boy. Like, gonna tell him. Excel is literally a pain in my rectum. Like, there's no way you should be acting like this. Like, you're a grown Excel sheet acting like this. Literally makes no sense to me. So, AK Alaska, Alaska earthquake, Alaska region. I'm just gonna tell him what to do. AK Alaska, Alaska earthquake. What else was there? Alaska region, Aleutian. It's you can't see the email, but it's really not a joke. Like, the fact that this computer keeps crashing is kind of stupid. I'm hee hee ha ha about it, but there's nothing about it that's funny. It's actually nothing about it that's funny to me. It's actually quite depressing. It's quite depressing. But it's fine. It's fine. Wait, where the frick is it? Oh, it's right here. Why did it just do that? That's so not. Why is it trying to link it? I cannot stand. Why is it trying to link it? Hello? Are we dumb? I have to go in 6 minutes. Are we dumb? Why are you linking it? Sample, bro, please, 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 please. I'm not in the mood. Where is it? Oh, did I not save it to the computer? Where did I save it? Why would I do a PDF? I'm confuzzled on what's going on here. Oh, it's going to the OneDrive. No, put it on this PC. Do not put it in documents. What are we talking about right now? When have we ever done that? I'm so confused. When have we ever said we were gonna do that? Bruh, sure. Just share it, cause you, whatever. And send. Okay. You're literally an a-hole for this. I think it's probably just too much going on. Like once I stop streaming, I think I'll be able to do it for real. But oh wait, keep autosave on. That would be really bad if I didn't do that. Yeah, please keep autosave on. Oh, and I probably should have formatted this by date. No or yes? Yeah, I probably should have formatted this by date. Or time. Because what even is this? This is like div. Okay, let's yeah, let's plan to do that next time. We need to filter. I completely forgot about that, but we need to make a lot of this stuff more legible and readable. Yeah, okay. A lot of this needs to be more legible. But other than that, what is this? Look at all the freaking accounts I have. Bro. Alright, we're good. It's as good as it gets. Bro. Oh, I keep doing this.